Okay. But you can't see the Patanjali Sutras now, right? Okay. So, I'll give a little brief. Today we will learn from 1.5 to 1.11. Okay. So, before that, we will quickly revise and then move forward. Okay, so we started with the first sutra where we said Atha Yoganushasanam. Now we are ready to do the yoga, or we are ready for the practices. What will this, when you start your practice, what will happen? It will remove the chitta vrittis. Chitta vritti nirodha will happen. All the disturbance in our mind will be got ridden. So when these vrittis are got ridden, what will happen? We establish in our true self, tada drashtuhu swarupe avasthanam. And if we are not established in the true self, what will happen? Vritti sarupyam itaratra. Now our swarupa or sarupyam or our being is all scattered. Okay. So as I told in the last class, each sutra is connected with each other. He had introduced the vritti here, right? So now in the next sutra, I will make you all chant after a few seconds of explanation, okay? Now he says in 1.5, remember the sutra number, okay? 5. Vrittayaha panchatayaha, pancha, pancha. 1.5 mein he is introducing Vrittayaha panchatayaha klishta aklishtaha. So here he said you will get rid of the vrittis if you do yoga. Now he is telling us how many vrittis are there. Vrittayaha are total 5 in numbers, which may cause klishta or aklishta, pain or pleasure. Okay. Then 1.6, this you remember, please. Mostly there will be a question in this. They will ask what causes klishta or aklishta. In the options, you will get vrittis, you will get 2 klesha, 3 they will say sahabhuvaha, 4 they will say antaraya. So you have to remember that vrittis cause klishta or aklishta. Okay, don't get confused. Once in 1.5, 5 klishtas, 5 vrittis he introduced. Now he is telling the name of them. In 1.6, he is telling they are named as pramana, viparyaya, vikalpa, nidra, smritayaha. Another important point we have to remember in Patanjali Yoga Sutras is there will be lot of numbers. For example, these are 5. These are 5 in number. Then you have kleshas, which will be 5 in numbers. You have 3 types of practitioners. You will have 5 types of upaya pratyaya. So what is that? Shraddha, Virya, Smriti, Samadhi, Prajna, like that. Okay. So these numbers are very important. In this also compulsory one question comes. For example, they will put the nidra here. And they will say select the correct order. They'll say pramana, nidra, viparyaya, vikalpa, smritayaha. So you have to by heart this order. Pramana, viparyaya, vikalpa, nidra, smritayaha. So 1.5, he introduced panchavrittis. Then he named them in 1.6. And in 1.7, now he is explaining one by one. In 1.7. So he is saying pratyaksha, anumana, agamaha, pramanani. There are 3 ways how we can connect to the truth. Pratyaksha, what we see with the eyes. Anumana. Anumana is we make an estimate. Agamaha is from the Shastras. In 1.8 is introducing Viparyayo Mithyajnanam Atadrupa Pratishtam. So this is about the wrong understanding. Okay. Then in 1.9 he is introducing Shabda Jnananupati Vastu Shunyo Vikalpaha. So there is no Vastu, but we do imagination, that is Vikalpaha. And then 1.10 he is saying Abhava Pratyayalambana Vrittir Nidra. So where there is no alambana, there is no activity happening, we are completely resting, there is no pratyaya or any thoughts or anything, that is the nidra, a peaceful rest. And finally 1.11 he is saying Anubhuta Vishaya Asampramosha Smritihi. So what is Smritihi? Where we like remember the Vishayas or things that we experienced or that happened in our life. Okay, so please remember, this is one sequence from today what we are learning. 1.52, I told no to keep a notebook. 1.11. Okay, this is one set of sutras that we have to remember, where we are introducing, or Patanjali is introducing the vrittis. Okay, now can I have one volunteer, please? On my screen, I see Anamika ji first. So Anamika, please unmute yourself. We'll chant the sutra number 1.5. 2 times you have to repeat, please. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Vrittayaha.
Brittayah, Brittayah,
Panchatayyaha.
Panchatayah, Panchatayah,
Klishta, klishtaha.
Klishta, Klishtaha, Klishta, Klishtaha.
So there is a line, or if you see in Hindi also, there is one standing line after the t. So it is klishtaha. You have to extend. Okay? Other things are correct. Can you try one more time? So klishta, klishtaha. It is 2 words mixed into 2. So here you have to sit for a second. Klishta. So if you don't understand klishta, klishtaha, you can chant like that also. Now please try.
Klishta, Klishtaha,
Klishtaha.
Klishtaha,
Very,
Klishta, Klishtaha.
very good. Klishta, klishtaha. You can break like that also.
Klishta, Klishtaha.
So you are saying the first it is second badi wali Klishtaha.
Klishtaha.
Very good. Now try the whole sutra by yourself.
Prittayah, Panchatayah, Klishta, Klishtaha.
Very good. Are you confident? Do you feel you have got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now on my screen, I see Roshni next. Thank you, Anamika. Roshni ji, can you unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will learn the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vritti names. Pramana.
Praman,
2 times.
Praman,
Viparyaya.
Viparya, Viparya,
Viparyaya.
Viparya,
Vikalpa.
Vikalpa, Vikalpa,
Nidra.
Nidra, Nidra,
So you see this horizontal line on the head of A, that means Nidra, we have to extend. Smritaya.
yes. Smritayaha, Smritayaha,
Yeah, I'll chant the whole sutra. Please try to repeat after me. Pramana, Viparyaya, Vikalpa, Nidra, Smritayaha.
Praman, Viparya, Vikalpa, Nidra, Smritayaha.
This is just he is introducing the names of the 5 vrittis. There is no much explanation here, but this order compulsory it will come. Okay, one question comes on this. Please by heart this order. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Roshni. Can I have Sidhu?
Yes, ma'am.
Now he is explaining what is pramana. I'm breaking the sutra. Okay. Pratyaksha, anumana, agamaha.
प्रत्यक्ष अनुमान आगमाः प्रत्यक्ष अनुमान आगमाः
Pramanani.
प्रमाणानि प्रमाणानि.
So this N with a dot under indicates this ana. Pata nahi Hindi how they write. I think this wala. Ana. Ganapati we say no. So retroflex ana. Pramanan. You have to fold the tongue. It is not nani. It is not this na. Okay. It is this. Please try. Pramanani.
Pramanani.
Now, Ganapati, when you say Ganapati, you roll the tongue, no? Retroflex. Vaisa try karo, please. Pramanani.
Pramanani.
You're still saying this na. Maybe you can correct. I'll chant the whole sutra. You can try.
Okay.
Pratyaksha anumana agamaha pramanani.
Pratyaksha anumana agamaha pramanani.
Okay, thank you. Next, I have Jyoti ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This is about the Viparyaya. Viparyayo.
Viparyayo. Viparyayo.
Mithya Jnanam. So here, because you are just a beginner, we will break it, okay? Like it is there in the English. Mithya Jnanam Atadrupa Pratishtham. We'll break like that and learn. Future class, we will join it, okay? Mithya Jnanam.
Mithya Jnanam.
Atadrupa Pratishtham.
Atadrupa Pratishtham.
Okay, very good. This turn, no, this is called a Mahaprana. When you are chanting the Mahaprana, it should come from your navel. You should aspirate, okay? That improves our health also. Okay, I'll chant the whole sutra. Please try now. Viparyayo mithya jnanam atadrupa pratishtham.
Viparyayo Mithya Jnanam Atadrupa Pratishtham.
Very good, very good. Shivani ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I zoom it more? Yeah, okay. We will now learn about the Vikalpaha. Okay, that was Viparyaya. This is Vikalpa. Kalpana karna, they'll say, no, imagination. So there is nothing, there is no Vastu, Vastu zero. There is no Vastu. But still we imagine. Okay. Shabda,
Shabda, Shabda,
Jnananupati,
Jnananupati, Jnananupati,
Vastu Shunyo,
Vastu Shunyo, Vastu Shunyo,
Vikalpaha.
Vikalpaha, Vikalpaha,
No, I'll chant the whole sutra. Shabda jnananupati vastu shunyo vikalpaha.
शब्द ज्ञानानुपाती वस्तु शून्यो विकल्पः.
Very good, very good. So I am seeing only few participants. So I'm going back to Anamika ji. Anamika, 1.10. Now we will chant about the Nidra. Abhava.
Abhava. Abhava.
Again, Bha is a Mahaprana. We have to stress on the Bha. You are doing it right. Just for the students who might listen later, I'm just repeating again. Pratyaya,
Pratyaya.
Alambana. Yeah. Sorry. Go ahead.
Pratyaya.
Alambana,
Alambana. Alambana.
Vrittir,
Vrittir.
Vritti,
Vritti.
Nidra.
Nidra. Nidra.
I will join and chant the whole sutra. See if you get it. Otherwise, I will break it for you. Abhava pratyayalambana vrittir nidra.
Abhava pratyaya alambana Nidra.
Let us break it. Abhava.
Abhava pratyaya alambana vrittir nidra.
Good. So the other way how you can sound beautiful is abhava pratyayalambana vrittir nidra. Good. Anamika ji over.
Abhava pratyaya alambana vrittir nidra.
Hmm. So somewhere pratyaya here you are putting one extra.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you remove that, it will correct come correctly. Just try.
Abhava pratyaya alambana vrittir nidra.
So here see in the Hindi Devanagari, there is no standing line next to this. Here it is there. So pratyaya, pratyaya. Here you give the a sound. Here you don't give. Just try ma one more time.
अभाव प्रत्याया अलम्बना वृत्ति निद्रा.
Okay, no problem. No problem. One extra sound you are adding here. Okay, no problem. Okay, next can I have Sindhu?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is about smriti or memory.
Mhm.
Anubhuta
अनुभूत
Vishaya
विषय
Asampramoshah
असम्प्रमोषः
Saraswati wala sa Asampramoshah.
असम्प्रमोषः
This is plain sa. This is the retroflex sh.
Okay.
Okay, so here you say sa, here you say sh. Asampramoshah
असम्प्रमोषः
Smritihi.
स्मृतिः
Now I'll chant the whole sutra. Please try after me. Anubhuta Vishaya Asampramoshah Spritihi.
अनुभूतविषय असम्प्रमोषः स्मृतिः
Very good. Very good. One more time.
अनुभूतविषय असम्प्रमोषः स्मृतिः.
Very good. Thank you. Okay. Now, who can chant all the 5 sutras or 6 sutras we did from 1.5 to 1.11 continuously? Who is confident? Okay. Roshni, you can do it. Will be a revision for others also. Go slowly because they are going to chant along with you on mute.
Okay, ma'am. वृत्तयः पञ्चतयः क्लिष्टाः प्रमाण प्रमाणविपर्ययविकल्पनिद्रा स्मृतिः
I think Jyoti, you have to mute yourself. Who is chanting now?
प्रत्यक्षानुमानागमः प्रमाणानि विपर्ययो मिथ्या ज्ञानमतध्रुवप्रतिष्ठम् शब्दज्ञानानुपातिवस्तु शून्यो विकल्पः आभावप्रत्ययालम्बनावृत्तिर्निद्रः निद्रः अनुभूतविषया असम्प्रमोक्षस्मृतिः.
Very good. Very good. Who else wants to do this? Yeah, Sindhu, please go ahead.
वृत्तयः पञ्चतयः क्लिष्टा अक्लिष्टाः
Krishtaha
क्लिष्टाः प्रमाणविपर्ययविकल्पा निद्रा स्मृतयः प्रत्यक्षानुमानागमः प्रमाणानि विपर्ययो मिथ्याज्ञानम् अतद्रूपप्रतिष्ठम् शब्दज्ञानानुपाति वस्तुशून्यो विकल्पः अभावप्रत्ययालम्बन वृत्तिर्निद्रा अनुभूतविषय असम्प्रमोष स्मृतिः.
Okay, thank you. So because we still have some more time, we will try to cover the next sutras also. So till here he explained about the vrittis and what they do. I'm hoping that because sir taught you, you people have an idea. So now when he has explained what are the vrittis, next he is telling what we can do to remove these vrittis. So 1.12, again very, very important sutra. You can like mark it like this. So here he is saying there are two tools. I told no, there are all numbers in the Patanjali Yoga Sutra. So he is telling two tools to overcome the vrittis. One is abhyasa, one is the vairagya. So here he introduces in this sutra abhyasa vairagyabhyam tan nirodha. Tan means what? He is referring to vrittis here. So by doing abhyasa and vairagya, you can avoid the vrittis. Okay. Then 1.13 he says tatra sthito yatno bhyasaha. So now he introduced abhyasa and vairagya, right? So he is now explaining about abhyasa. How should be your abhyasa? Your abhyasa should be well established. You have to constantly stay with the practice. One day I will do, one day I will not do. That will not work. He's saying your practice should be continuous and it should be sustained, it should be steady. Okay, one more quality he is explaining about your abhyasa. The quality of abhyasa should be satu, dirghakala, nairantarya, satkara, asevito, dhruda bhumihi. These are the qualities of your practice. He is saying how should be your practice? It should be dirghakala. It should be for a long time. Nairantarya, without no antaraya, without a break. Satkara, with full respect. When guests come to our house, what we will do? We will invite them with lot of satkara. No, we will say, please come and sit, and please, would you like to have some water, coffee? Like that, he is saying, do your practice with satkara. Asevito, do it like a seva. Seva for whom? Seva for your own self, your mind, body, and breath. Okay. Now we will do the 12, 13, 14 because these three are about the abhyasa. Okay. Now you have to write 1.13 to 1.4. What is this? 14, 15. 1.15 up. Not sorry. 1 second. 1.12 to 1.14 is all about abhyasa. Okay, please write it down. So now I will revise one more time. 1.1 to 1.4, 4 sutras are introduction to the Patanjali Yoga Sutras. Almost all the whole essence of the text is covered in this. In 1.5, Panchatayyaha, he introduces the 5 vrittis. Then 1.6, he gives the name of those 5 vrittis. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, he introduces each of the vritti with explanation. Okay. Then 1.12, he says, what will you do now? You have vrittis. What will you do about it? You will do some abhyasa and vairagya. And how should be the abhyasa? You should be firmly established in the abhyasa. And how should the abhyasa be? Satu, dirghakala, nairantare, satkar. This also will come. Very important sutra, Satu, dirghakala. Please mark it, okay? Now we'll go to the chanting part of it. Okay. I would like to call Shivani ji.
Yes, ma'am.
So 1.12 we will chant now. These are the qualities of the practice or the tools. Sorry, these are the tools for getting rid of the vrittis. Okay. Abhyasa,
Abhyasa, Abhyasa,
vairagyabhyam,
Vairagyabhyam, Vairagyabhyam,
tan
Tan, Tan,
nirodhaha.
Nirodhaha, Nirodhaha.
And I will chant the whole sutra. Please try after me. Abhyasa vairagyabhyam tan nirodhaha.
Abhyasa vairagyabhyam tannirodhaha.
One more time.
Abhyasa vairagyabhyam tannirodhaha.
So there is a horizontal line here. You have to extend. Vairagyabhyam.
Ma'am, once again repeat.
देखो यहाँ पर या है ना, या के बाद स्टैंडिंग लाइन है, तो स्टैंडिंग लाइन है तो ये बड़ा वाला आका. हाँ, सो अभ्यास वैराग्याभ्याम तन्निरोधः.
Okay. I will try, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Abhyasa vairagya abhyam tannirodhaha.
Shivani ji, repeat after me. Abhyas vairagyabhyam
Abhyasa vairagyabhyam
vairagya
vairagya
bhyam.
abhyam.
नो, अब वैराग्या में आ बोल दिया ना, सो जस्ट भ्याम बोलो, सो दैट यू विल गेट द फ्लो. भ्याम.
Bhyam
अब ऐड करो वैराग्याभ्याम.
vairagyabhyam
वेरी गुड. तन्निरोधः.
tannirodhaha.
वन मोर टाइम.
Abhyasa vairagyabhyam tannirodhaha.
So this bhyam, whatever in English, bhyam, dha, these are the sounds with bha, dha, dha. They should come from your navel. They will drastically improve your health. Okay. All of you keep that in mind while chanting. Thank you, Shivani ji. Now
Okay,
I'll go back to Jyoti. Jyoti ji, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will see how the practice should be. Tatra sthito.
Tatra sthitau.
One more time.
Tatra sthitau.
Yatnobhyasaha.
Yatnobhyasaha. Yatnobhyasaha.
Yatna means prayatna or effort. Okay. Tatra sthito yatnobhyasaha.
Tatra sthitau yatnobhyasaha. Tatra sthitau yatnobhyasaha.
Very good. Whatever yatna or prayatna you are doing as a practice or abhyasa, please sthitau in that. Sthitau means please establish in that. Going to one teacher, one time going to gym, 1 month going to cult fit, something like that, don't do. He's saying, please establish in one practice, stay with it. That will be the reason for your success. Don't change the teachers, don't change the style. Okay. Did I make you chant the whole sutra? Okay. Next, I'll go back to Anamika ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, how should be the qualities of our practice? That is being mentioned in 1.14. Satu,
Satu. Satu.
Dirghakala. I'm sorry. Repeat 2 times.
Satu. Satu.
Dirghakala.
Dirghakala. Dirghakala.
Nairantarya.
Nairantarya. Nairantarya.
Satkara.
Satkara. Satkara.
Asevito.
Asevito. Asevito.
Dridabhumihi.
Dridabhumihi. Dridabhumihi.
So both are like Mahaprana, dha and bha. Okay. Dridabhumihi.
Dridabhumihi. Dridabhumihi.
I really like Anamika, the way you are saying the dr, that the way you are turning your tongue. It is very good for your health. It will very nicely improve the health of the all the different parts of the body. Okay. So now I'll chant the whole sutra. Please try after me. Satu Dirghakala Nairantarya Satkara Asevito Dridabhumihi.
Satu dirghakal nairantariya satkar asebito dridabhumihi.
Can you try one more time?
Satu dirghakal nairantariya satkar asebito dridabhumihi.
See here, this is a horizontal line. Satkara. So this is this is Satkara.
Satkara. Satkara.
So what you can do is you can break here. Satkara Asevito. Otherwise you have to say Satkara Sevito. So if you find it difficult, Satkara Asevito.
Satkara asevito.
Asevito.
Satkara asevito.
Very good. Very good. Dridabhumihi.
Dridabhumihi.
Okay. We will do 2 more sutras for today and stop. 1.15 and 1.16. Do you guys remember what did Sir tell about these sutras? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone volunteer? What are these sutras about? You finished the
Ma'am, which
explanation?
ones?
Did Sir
Satu
finish?
Dirghakala.
Pardon me?
Ma'am, you are talking about Satu Dirghakala Sutra?
I don't know. It's not audible for me. Is it the same for everyone? I can't understand what you're saying. Did Sir finish the
Ma'am,
explanation?
no, ma'am. Up to 14 only it is completed.
Acha, acha. Okay. So I will just teach you the chant of this. So here he is speaking about the apara vairagya. When you have control on your drishta, your eyes. Shravika means your ears. Vishaya means all the things that we see, objects that we see around. No? Either we are seeing, either we are hearing, either we are smelling, either we are tasting. So whenever this Vishaya with the senses we absorb, we are attracted to all of this. So when we are attracted to all of this, we can never progress high. Okay, so if you are able to control these senses, then the vitrishna, the whatever what do you say, detachment that you develop is called the vashikara samya vairagyam. Okay, this is the detachment. Here he has spoken, no? Abhyasa vairagyabhyam tannirodha. He explained 2 tools here. One is abhyasa, one is vairagya. So here he told us about the abhyasa. Here he told us about the abhyasa. Now he is introducing vairagya. What is vairagya? This is the lower level of vairagya, where you master or control. For example, I don't want to see the cell for an hour. Will I be able to do? I don't know. I will think there must be some important, some message. I have to check it. And then suddenly there is rain, my senses or my tongue will feel I should have a nice hot coffee now, or I should have a nice hot tea now. So till I'm not able to master this is like apara vairagya. Then the second level he is saying paravairagya. If you are able to overcome the gunas, you know triguna, who knows trigunas? Can anyone tell what are the trigunas?
Satya, Raja, Tamas.
Yes, correct.
Tamas.
Correct. So, paravairagya is when you are able to understand self and detach from the mind also. Good, bad, I want this, I don't want this, and Purusha. All these concepts will come later. I don't want to confuse you all. So there is one Purusha and Prakriti, it will come. So till we are with the things that are connected to Prakriti, we are always going back into the Vishayas, the worldly matters. But when we are able to overcome the worldly matters, we are able to overcome the attractions of the guna, we achieve the paravairagya. Okay. Aparavairagya, paravairagya. Again, this 1.15 and 16 are like a set. Please mark and write down. This is apara, lower vairagyam. The next one is the higher vairagyam. If you have already kept a notes, please note it down in that. Again, very, very important sutra. You will get one question compulsory from this. Okay. So they will give this sutra and say, identify the number. Like 1.15, 2.15, 3.15, 4.15, something like that they will ask. Or they will ask, what kind of vairagya will the Drishtanushravika Vishyavitrashnasya give you? Then you have to take this Vashikara Samya Vairagyam. Or they may ask para, apara, something else. Then they will not ask this like this. Okay, just to confuse you. Either Vashikara or apara. They will give any one only. They will not give both. Okay, who wants to chant this? Whom did I not call till now? Roshni ji?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Drishtanushravika
दृष्टानुश्रविक दृष्टानुश्रविक
विषय वित्र कृष्णा बोलते हैं ना, वैसे तृष्णा, डोंट कंफ्यूज. विषय वितृष्णस्य
विषया वितृष्णस्य विषया वितृष्णस्य.
So there is no Vishaya. This is Vishaya. There is no line here. Vishaya Vitrishnasya.
विषया वितृष्णस्य
Same you are saying
विषया
Vishaya.
वितृष्णस्य.
See, Roshni ji, there is no Vishaya. See, one thing I want to tell is, okay, we chant one extra R doesn't matter. But when I learned the Yoga Sutras, it told me a lot about my attitude. So when we are extending here unnecessarily, it shows in our attitude also that in other times also, where we have to stop, we don't stop. We do something extra. Okay, so we have to bring our awareness to that. Drishtanushravika Vishaya. Don't extend.
दृष्टा दृष्टानुश्रविक विषय
Very good. You got me. Yes, one more time.
दृष्टानुश्रविक विषय
Very good. With Rishnasya
वितृष्णस्य वितृष्णस्य
Vashikara Sanya
वशीकार संज्ञा वशीकार संज्ञा
Vairagyam.
वैराग्यम वैराग्यम.
Very nice, Roshni ji. I'm impressed. Drishtanushravika Vishaya Vitrishnasya. Try, otherwise I'll break for you.
दृष्टानुश्रविक विषय वितृष्णस्य वशीकार संज्ञा वैराग्यम.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Good. Okay, so one more thing I want to tell, chanting also tells lot about our attitude. Keep observing, okay, how and where, how you are chanting. It will help you to correct your attitude also. Okay, next, Sindhu, anybody feels left out? I mean, I'm not calling your name. Just raise your palm up, okay? Sindhu, are you there, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is Paravairagya, higher Vairagya, okay? Tat Param
Tatparam, Tatparam,
Purusha Khyate. I will break this for you, okay? Purusha Khyate
Purushakyate, Purushakyate,
Guna Vaitrushnyam.
Gunavaitrushnyam, Gunavaitrushnyam,
You pulled off very beautifully, Sindhu. Let us try the whole sutra. Tat Param Purusha Khyate Guna Vaitrushnyam.
Tatparam, Purushakyate, Gunavaitrushnyam, Tatparam, Purushakyate, Gunavaitrushnyam.
Thank you, ma. Okay, now I'm going to call the name of any one person. Anamika ji, can you tell me the sutras which speak about Abhyasa number? Which number speak about Abhyasa?
1.12.
There are three sutras in total. 1.12, 13 and 14. Very good, very good. Now, who will tell me sutra number which speaks about Paravairagya?
1.15.
1.16.
1.16, ma'am.
Very good.
Sorry.
1 second. Let me close this. One second. This has to respond. Okay. Who can tell me which sutra speaks about the Viparyaya? Sutra number
8.
1.8.
7.
Ma'am.
You can see and tell for today if you want. You can see and tell which sutra.
8. 1.8.
8, ma'am.
1.8.
Very good, very good. Which sutra introduces the Panchavrittaya?
5.
Fifth one.
1,
5.
5.
5.
1.5.
Very good. Which sutra number introduces the names of the 5 vrittis?
1.6.
6.
1.6.
See,
6.
from 1.5, you count like that, okay? 1.5, he introduced the Pancha, 5, 5. Then the sixth one is the name. From there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the 5. ऐसे add करके ले लेना, ठीक है? Okay.
Ma'am, 1.5 and 1.6. Both
Yeah,
are.
yeah. Yes, yes. Very good. Okay. Uh, which sutra talks about the Vashikara Samya Vairagyam? Sutra number
1.15.
115.
1.50. Very good.
15.
1.15. Very good. Asa, now itself, if we learn, no, then by the end of the first chapter, we will learn all the sutras. Okay. Okay. Just for the people who might be watching online, I will chant all the sutras done today. You can mute yourself. अथ समाधिपादः अथ योगानुशासनम् योगः चित्तवृत्तिनिरोधः तदा द्रष्टुः स्वरूपे अवस्थानम् वृत्तिसारूप्यम् इतरत्र तयः पञ्चतय्यः क्लिष्टा आक्लिष्टाः प्रमाणा विपर्यय विकल्प निद्रा स्मृतयः प्रत्यक्ष अनुमान आगमाः प्रमाणानि विपर्ययो मिथ्याज्ञानम् अतद्रूपप्रतिष्ठम् शब्दज्ञानानुपाती वस्तुशून्यो विकल्पः अभावप्रत्ययालम्बना तमोवृत्तिर्निद्रा अनुभूतविषय असम्प्रमोषः स्मृतिः. So that tamo I added, it is there in my book. You can ignore. Abhyasa vairagyabhyam tannirodhaha tatra sthitau yatnobhyasaha satu dirghakala nairantarya satkara adara आसेवितो दृढभूमिः दृष्टानुश्रविक विषयवितृष्णस्य वशीकारसंज्ञा वैराग्यम् तत्परं पुरुषख्यातेः गुणवैतृष्ण्यम्. Thank you, everyone. I want somebody to do the closing prayer, please.
Can I, ma'am?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Sit straight. Back should be straight.